Today we're talking flash frozen and rolled ice cream, which are all the rage in videos about Thai street food on YouTube. Although they may be getting tons of views online, the funky ice cream neither originates nor is it common in Thailand. But if your sweet tooth is craving this unique take on ice cream, then you're in luck because I'm going to lead you to a stall in the ever popular Rot Fai night market. Here for 69 baht or about $2, you can choose between 3 to 4 flavors of ice cream, 2 main ingredients like brownie, nuts, or fake Oreos, and toppings like whipped cream and chocolate syrup. Your main ingredients are smashed down inside the flavored milk solution and flattened on a freezing cold plate. When it's cold enough, the vendor will scrape the flash frozen ice cream into rolls, placing them neatly in a cup and adding your toppings. This is a fun and tasty dessert, especially for ice cream lovers. If you think you'd like to try this, go ahead and like this video and use the description box below to get the Google map right to the Bangkok train market. Happy eating and see you for more tasty tips in the next Bangkok Bites episode.